Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to live stream on YouTube. Whether you are gaming, teaching, hosting an event, or just chatting with your audience, I will break it down step by step so you can go live in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure your YouTube account is ready. You must verify your account. Go to YouTube Studio and click Settings from the left hand side, then Channel, then Feature Eligibility, and follow the steps to verify by phone number. It usually takes about 24 hours to activate live streaming if it's your first time. Next, decide how you want to stream. YouTube gives you three options. Webcam, perfect for simple streams using your laptop camera. Streaming software, if you want fancy overlays, gameplay, or multi-camera setups. Mobile, if you have over 50 subscribers, you can stream directly from your phone. Today, I will quickly show you webcam and streaming software options. To stream with your webcam, click Create button at the top at the top right of your YouTube or YouTube Studio. Then select Go Live. Under the webcam tab, give your stream a title. Set your privacy, public, unlisted, or private. Pick a category like education, gaming, or entertainment. Set if it's made for kid or not. Add a thumbnail if you want to look more professional. Next, check your webcam and microphone settings. When you are ready, click Go Live. You are broadcasting to the world. If you want to live stream gameplay, presentations, or add overlays, you will need free software like OBS Studio. How to connect it? Open OBS Studio in YouTube. Under the Stream tab, click Stream. Copy your stream key, paste into OBS under Settings, then Stream. Now set up your scenes or sources in OBS like your game, capture or camera. Hit Start streaming in OBS and you are live on YouTube. Just use stream key here, just paste here and use and choose YouTube from service and stream key and enter your stream key from your YouTube. Then hit apply. Then OK. Streaming software gives you way more control over the look and feel of your live stream. When you're ready to end your stream, simply click End Stream inside YouTube Studio or your streaming software. YouTube will automatically save your live stream as video on your channel. You can watch it, edit it, or delete it anytime. Before you go live, here are a few pro tips. Test your internet speed. Aim for a aim for at least 5 Mbps upload speed. Have a catchy title and thumbnail to attract viewers. Interact with your chat. Engagement keeps people watching. Promote your live stream ahead of time on social media. And that's it. You are ready to start live streaming like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new guide. Drop a comment below if you want a full tutorial on setting up OBS senses or and overlays. You can use YouTube Live Control Room for advanced analytics and moderation tools.